Alexis on the beat.
Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. It's totally a beautiful day today. I was busy cooking. I done started to cook and everything. So I say, hold on, why not do a video of my new hairstyles? I'm like, oh, why not? Okay, why not? So yesterday I went to Faux Locs, and the owner of Faux Locs installed these beautiful goddess Faux Locs on my head. I'm so in love with these locks. You can find Faux Locs on Instagram at Faux Locs, BAHALOCS. First and foremost, the service was amazing. I watched Netflix while I'm getting my hair done, so you know I watched some Orange Is the New Black, you know. And she was very nice, young. She's a nice, beautiful young lady, college student, and she was very professional what she did, and she took pride in her work. So as you can see, these goddess Faux Locs is beautiful. So and I love them like the pieces. Like I went there at 9 a.m. After 9 a.m. I arrived, and I left from there after 2. So it took me 5 hours to get these goddess Faux Locs installed into my hair, and I'm loving it. So I choose to get goddess Faux Locs into my hair because my birthday is coming up, which is August the 9th, and I am totally excited. And I wanted something totally different instead of braids or weave, something I never had before for my 28th birthday. So yes, I will be 28 years old, okay? 28. So I wanted something totally different for my 28th birthday. So I say, oh my gosh, just asking all about like where can I get Faux Locs done. From that time I was asking him, last year I was asking him about Faux Locs and who can do Faux Locs in the Bahamas, and nobody had to do Faux Locs until she came along. I was on Instagram, browsing on Instagram, and I saw my schoolmate Lemon Grab on Instagram, and she had some bohemian style locks. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm in love. And I messaged her under her post, and I was like, where do you get your hair done from? You know? And she replied back so generously and kind to me, and she's like, hey, Faux Locs did it. And I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta answer this person. So I messaged Faux Locs, found out the prices of the locks, installations, and everything of what all I needed for my lock. And I said, why not? Let me get it done for my birthday. So this could be my birthday hairdo. So I already got my birthday hairdo already, and I'm so excited. I am almost birthday ready. Yeah. So let me stop all this rambling and let me give y'all things that I haven't told y'all about goddess Faux Locs. This is officially one full day since I've been rocking these goddess Faux Locs, and I would like to give y'all some tea on this, okay? First and foremost, number one, it is very expensive. Oh my gosh. I got the long, medium length goddess Faux Locs, which is super, super long. And I think it touches like right down here, as you can see on my side. Like this is super freaking long. It's a medium size. And the price of it costs $150 to get it installed in my hair. As you can see, I got the triangle pattern because that's the pattern I wanted my hair due to a photo I saw on Pinterest. You know, I always just go to Pinterest and find a bunch of different photos and to try out. Like, I love Pinterest when it comes to styles. The cost of the hair installation doesn't include the hair at all. So you have to go to the supply store and purchase your own hair. And the price of the hair was for the Marley braiding hair. I used Marley braiding hair, and I got the color 1B. So I used the realistic reggae Marley braiding hair, and the cost of this realistic Marley braiding hair was $8.60 over here. So this is totally expensive, super duper expensive, $8.60 per pack. And altogether I purchased 7 packs of this brand Marley braiding hair. Oh my gosh, alone. But actually she didn't use the whole 7 packs. She only used 6 packs of Marley braiding hair, and I left with one, this right here. I love the realistic Faux Locs look that this pack of hair gives me. Like, it looks super freaking real and everything, like real boho chic chick. Like, next I bought me the free trace braid crochet and latch hook Bohemian braid 20-inch color 1B. Bought 2 packs of this. Unfortunately, she used a 1 1/4 of this pack right here. Oh my gosh, the cost of this pack was $12.45 for 1 pack each. So I had to purchase 2 packs of it. Like, that's why it ran me up like to, if you calculate right now, almost $100. I basically spent $100 for this stuff. So yes, this is the pack. Let me show you the curls on this. Super curly. I love the curls. Then I purchased a wheel of gold string, and the cost of this gold string cost me $4, $3.99, $4. Yeah, that's the cost of this gold string right here. This was I left with. She put some all over my hair. Like, I think I have 3 or 4 rows. Like one here, one there. I think I have 3 of them on my hair. And then I bought some jewelry for braids and locks by Brittany Professional. I bought 3 packs of these. I didn't really need the whole 3 packs, but I like a lot of jewelry in my hair. Just like when I was young, I did love a lot of brooches. Like I like to put a lot of Borat's brooches in my hair when I was a kid. So you know, I had to do a lot of these. So I used 1.5 packs. The cost of these were $2.50 each. For this whole style, it ran me up to $250 in total, which includes the style, get my hair styled, and also the hair and accessories. Second thing no one ever told me on YouTube about these Faux Locs is that they are really hard to put up in one. That evening when I came home from get my hair installed, got Faux Locs installed in my hair, like I was trying to go take a bath, and I felt really greasy from being out all day, and I went to try put it up in one. It was so stiff. Goddess Faux Locs was super stiff. Like it loosened up now, because I had to try get grip it and get all of this up in one. And day one, it was stiff as hell. Like I couldn't get this up in one high like this. It stopped right here. I only could get it right here, and I just make a little bun right there. That's the only way I could get it. But today it's like the locks loosen up a bit, so now I can do up in a high ponytail and make a high bun now. So that's pretty good about it. So the first day it's gonna be stiff, really stiff. So it's gonna be very hard to get up in one, and also your hair is gonna be super tight. So by that being said, be careful, do not pull it too tight. So what I did, I just do section by section and to get it up in one. And as soon as I couldn't get it way up in one, but I get it like this. So I pulled it right here. Then I put on my satin bonnet and my scarf in front of my head, because my satin bonnet only could cover this much of hair, and then I used the scarf to cover the rest, and then I took a bath and I went to bed like that. So yeah, that's the second thing I learned so far about Goddess Faux Locs. Oh, that was a struggle. I felt like my hair felt really tender when I tried to put up in one. My hair didn't feel tight after she installed it and everything. She did a pretty good job. It wasn't tight at all, but when it was time for me to put it up in one, that's when I felt the tightness. Like really. The third thing I said about Goddess Faux Locs, what I've learned about wearing Goddess Faux Locs is that it's hard to sleep with it on the first 2 days. Like the first day. Like the first night, last night, I tried to go to bed and sleep. I was able, like it was like really uncomfortable, like a little bit of pain, and just some, I think it's more uncomfortable than pain. I like to lay on my stomach and rest my head on the side on my pillows, like a dribble up on the pillow and stuff like that, and it was very uncomfortable because the hair was these locks with Goddess Faux Locs were so stiff, and I trying to lay, and then my hair also got tender-headed due to me trying to put it up in one. So I had restless night, did not sleep well at all. Oh my gosh, I can't wait till these locks get super old. Like give it a week, and then I can have like I could sleep comfortably. Like, it's terrible. Why nobody told me about this? At the first, I can't sleep good with these locks in. Oh, but they're so beautiful. Like, beauty is pain. Beauty is pain, okay? So the fourth thing I've learned about rocking these goddess faux locks is that it's when you taking your hair down, it starts to stick at the end. Like, these locks start to stick. Look at it. Getting tangled and sticking and stuff. So you have to be careful and try, pull gently, because I have like curly ends to the tip right here. I love this waving curl to the tip. It's so freaking nice. And you see I have little knots and snags. I'm gonna pull this out right now. So yeah, start to sticks at the end, so you have to be very careful. And also, what I've done just a while ago, before I hit the record button in this video, I wet my hands with some water, a little bit of water and conditioner, and I rake to loosen it up and get it from non-stick. So the fifth thing I've learned, what they did not tell me about rocking goddess faux lock, is that it's hard for me to moisturize my ends with these goddess faux locks. As you can see, the martin here is wrapped all around my hair, so I can't really get to my hair when it comes to moisturizing my hair. So the only thing I can do is use the wild growth oil on my scalp and just massage my scalp, and that's it. I can wash my scalp, but I can't wash my hair. So, and I'm thinking about rocking these locks for about 2 months or a month and a half, really, to get my money's worth. I can swim in these and braid. The braids, because I'm natural. When I swim in braids, my hair starts frizzing out of braids. You can see my natural hair poking through the braids. With these four, the goddess faux locks, and you can really, if I do swim in these braids, you really can't see my hair poking through, because the marty hair is wrapped around my hair, and also it'll give me a more bohemian look, and it'll stay looking, beautiful and all natural. So I think I can wear these goddess faux locks as vacation hair. Sixth and final thing I learned about rocking goddess faux locks is that you're gonna love it, and you're gonna receive a lot of attention, because come on, this is a cute friggin' style. After I came from her, I went to get my toes done, I got a pedicure, and everyone at the salon was asking me like, where you got your hair done from? Who did it? This looks nice. Everywhere I go, everybody's asking me like, who did your hair? Yo, your hair looks so nice. So you're gonna receive tons and tons of attention, and that's pretty awesome. If you love attention like me, then you won't mind that, okay? I wanted to put some tresses in it, like, make it more curly, put some curly tresses in it to give that little bohemian look. But I was like, I will try that next year. Let her do it professionally and not me trying to mess it up. But I think it's easy to do. I don't think it's really hard to do the bohemian tresses. I think you just get a pack of this, use the free twist bohemian braids, or any type of free twist braid hair, braiding hair, curly braiding hair, or wavy braiding hair you can use. And I think you just take a piece. If I'm not sure, you can tie it. Let's put it in the front. Let's try this. Tie it round. I think that I saw them crocheting it, and do it like this. And this little piece right here. That's pretty easy. I show you a tutorial just now. Like, yeah. And that's it. And you could add a couple pieces all around your hair to give you that bohemian look. I hope you like my faux locks. I think I'll say this video, my birthday will be already gone, because my birthday is Thursday just passed. So also wish me happy birthday in the comment section. But yes, I'm totally excited. I love my faux locks. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, the best thing I ever had. Like, yes.